What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? My name's Hugo Freeman, and I am going to watch something a bit different. It's going to be a magic show, kind of. It's just, a magic act. There we go. It's a magic act, not a show, an act. And it's by Chien. Could be Indonesian. I'm not sure where he's from. But yeah, I heard my friends that his act is pretty awesome. It's close up magic and stuff. So I'm like, okay, let's watch this. 1, 2, 3, go. It's a string. What do you do with it? Duh. That's very convenient. How the heck? Could be Velcro. Who knows? I like how he's all shocked too. Good. Yeah, touch the line. It's not working. Magic's not working. There we go. That was a glitch. Ah! His vest changed color. It was black. Now it's red and blue. Oh my god! That's insane, yo. Jesus Christ. Don't look at me. That's pretty cool. You heard that? You hear the card? He put it down and it disappeared. Wow. is a magic string. I heard coin. Oh! How the heck? Open the string. Oh, attempted! Oh, you lost your color too! Is that racist? You still got that coin.
For the close-up, for Taiwan, China.
Oh, Taiwan, okay. Close-up graphics. Oh, Jesus. This is not that bad. I'm just crying. That was cool, yo. That was, Jesus Christ. You know how fast? You know how not only do you have to trick the audience, you have to trick the cameras too, and it's like freaking close up. Oh my God, Jesus Christ! You know how at the end where the string disappeared after he like get all the coins? That was probably like a moral of the story to it, and the moral of the story is don't use magic for personal gains, or everything will disappear in front of you. Or don't masturbate. I'm not sure. Anyways, what you guys think about this video? Did you like it? If you like it, press like. If you want to comment, go ahead. Subscribe, please. And peace.